To care for peace lilies. Plant your peace lilies in well-draining soil and keep them in a bright area away from direct sunlight. Peace lilies are easy-to-grow plants that thrive indoors, and you can also plant them outdoors if you live in a warm, humid climate. The brighter the area, the more likely they are to produce flowers. Water your peace lilies whenever the soil feels dry to the touch, but avoid overwatering them, since this can cause their leaves to yellow. Repot your peace lilies once a year in the spring using pots that are at least 2 inches, 5 centimeters, bigger than the old ones. Repotting your peace lilies will give them room to grow and keep them healthy. You should also wipe down the leaves once per year to remove dust, since dust can block the leaves from absorbing sunlight. Fertilize your peace lilies every 6 weeks with a liquid, balanced fertilizer if they're growing in bright lighting, or every 12 weeks if they're growing in low lighting. If you notice the tips of the leaves browning, it could be a sign that you're underwatering your peace lilies or giving them too much sunlight.